Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets, and this is the brand new iFi Audio Uno DAC and headphone amp. It's also high res, as you can see. So what we're going to do is take a closer look at the contents of the box, and then I'm going to come back and tell you what it sounds like. So this is the iFi Uno box. It says it's a 32-bit 384 kilohertz high res USB DAC and headphone amp. It has an ESS Sabre DAC, it's MQA, it has DRE Dynamic Range Enhancement, which just boosts the frequencies, and it has different sound modes, movie, music and game modes. I obviously was using it in the music side of things, and here we have all the specifications. Give you an idea, it has 211 milliwatts of power at 32 ohms, 39 milliwatts at 300 ohms. Its signal to noise ratio is 113 dB, and output impedance is 1 ohm. It weighs 92 grams, and its power supply is USB-C 5 volts at 0.5 amps. In terms of the digital inputs, USB-C, it can do DSD 256, DXD at 384, PCM at 384. It's an MQA renderer, and the DAC is bit perfect DSD and DXD DAC by ESS. Output is 2 volts, and I'll leave those specifications in the description box below as well. Let's see what else you get in the box. So you open the box, get the unit itself, come back to that in a second. You get the iFi sticker, which is nice. I do like the stickers. And you get a USB A to USB-C cable, a little thank you sticker as well. And here you get the warranty, you get some information about the MQA setup, and here you get the little quick start guide. I do like that they have this in the box, and it shows you on the top you have the EQ mode LED. That's the button, I'll show you at the same time. The button here, that's the EQ mode, where you toggle between the gaming, movie and sound. The power match to help with higher to drive headphones. This is your volume control. Nice click sound when you turn it on off. You have the S-Balance 3.5mm output, and on the back here you very simply have the RCA analog output and the USB power audio input. So it's power and audio input, and it shows you on here that you can be powered by phones, tablets, computers or gaming devices, and that's really straightforward. And depending on the audio mode, the LED around the volume knob changes depending on what you're doing. So I'll just leave that a bit closer so you can see. And again, depending on which mode that you have, the LED will light up. So there we go. So it seems once again iFi Audio have decided to go down the budget side of things. Probably quite a good idea when we've got this cost of living situation going on. And this is a remarkable little piece of kit. So what does this sound like? Well, once again, I think iFi Audio have done an amazing job. This probably wins the award for the cutest little headphone amp DAC that I've seen in a while. I love the curves, I love how it's all been done. I love the fact that it's got MQA support, it's DSD, you've got EQ on here, you've got the power match facility. Probably good, I think, headphones up to about 300, but obviously if they're slightly not too, the easier to drive they are, the better probably. You've also got, I like the fact that they've managed to integrate everything into the back here. It does have, thank goodness, USB-C, so important. And they've also included and built in some rubber feet so you don't end up scratching everything. But this thing is light, you can take it everywhere, you can leave it anywhere, powers itself. It's really an amazing piece of kit. And I know you're going to have tons of questions. I'll answer them all down in the comments below. So get cracking, ask me some questions. I'm very impressed by this at its price point. It has a beautiful sound like all sort of iFi Audio products. But I think at this price, yeah, I mean, who wouldn't want something as cute as this on their desk? But it does sound really, really good. So what does this do in terms of the sound? Well, it adds a bit of punch to the bass, increases the treble and the clarity of the treble, the mid-range. It has a lovely little mid-range, and it just adds those extra dynamics to the music that your probably built-in amp DAC can't do on your laptop or computer. Works well with the smartphones, but it just means that you just have that extra options of putting this in a pocket, perhaps leaving it on a desk. Increases the sound stage. Having the power match and the EQ option does make a nice difference to a lot of the headphones that I tried. These are the tracks that I listen to, but you might have specific questions, obviously. So for now, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys. Bye for now.